Hi, I'm Ethan Griffin. I'm an OMS2 at the University of New England College of Osteopathic Medicine.
I'm Zach Waarala. I'm a third year medical student at Michigan State University College of Osteopathic Medicine.
Hi, I'm Jen Geller. I'm a fourth year medical student at Rutgers Robert Wood Johnson Medical School in New Brunswick, New Jersey. And we're here as a part of the East Mentorship Day at the East Conference. We've had a really great experience meeting each other so far. I joined East a year ago as a result of the awesome mentorship I've had at Rutgers, but have enjoyed the experience of meeting even more people, including future colleagues like these right here.
Yeah, just to kind of piggyback off that, we have an M2, an M3, and an M4. Of course, you're going to meet mentors, you're going to meet faculty, but you're also going to engage with folks who are passionate about the same thing you're passionate about. So I think that's invaluable as a med student.
And East has made it really easy to come as a medical student. It's really easy to join. You get great connections, but just coming to the conference, East waives the medical student fee, which makes it really accessible for students interested in trauma, surgical critical care, and burn surgery, which was a very big reason why I wanted to come and just meet future colleagues, other military members in East, as well as just great mentors. And it's been an overall great experience.
Yes, we just wanted to thank everyone for such a phenomenal experience.
Yeah, thanks.